A dream come true. In my dream, everything looks so real. Everything has life. All the things are colorful and mobile. I can dream about anything and everything. To be a president of India, or CEO of Fortune 500 companies, or a fashion designer. One dream always strikes me and becomes blurred when I wake up. I'm sure everybody has one. It consistently haunts me with a blurred view. Yes, it's real. I always try to remember as soon as I wake up in the morning. I even tried to sketch that place, but I barely remember the view. It feels as if I'm standing still and the world has suddenly stopped. Dreaming the same over and over again. This time, I'm about to look at the view. Suddenly, I heard the scream. Oh, this voice looks so familiar. I don't want to get up. Again, trying to dream. This time I heard so sharply that my dream vanished. Get up! Isn't it too late to wake up? Eyes started oscillate. My feet started to feel cold. The sunshine was so bright that I couldn't wake up. It was all so blurred. I failed miserably to remember the dream. When I wake up, my first daily routine is to check my mobile. I'm sure everybody does. Just to check any urgent emails or escalations out of my chunk. I saw this email which made my day. Oh, that was acceptance email. Still no hope to reach university or what to do next. Firstly, I need to convince my parents. As a typical Indian parents, they don't allow a girl who is in her late 20s to go abroad without marriage. The same drama continued in my family too. Days passed with no progress on my visa slots. My parents were so happy that I couldn't get a visa slot. Neither prepared for an educational loan nor to attend my orientation. My date to attend my university was fast approaching, still unplanned for it. Going every day to office and while coming home I realized nothing is moving ahead. Oh, the dream started to haunt me again. This time I woke up early and started planning things. I applied for my loan and went for it. Surprisingly, my dad supported me in this process. Though I'm far behind my plan, things are moving. Finally, I got my visa and decided to quit my job. It's not an easy decision. I knew that I have overburdened my parents with my commitments. Still, somewhere I'm happy that I got a second chance in my life. A chance to explore, a chance to feel independent. Somewhere I was scared too. To start a new journey without support, to talk to strangers and live with them. Isn't it scary at times? The fear is real. My heart was pounding when I was landed in the US and which is called a land of opportunities. Days passed and Thanksgiving break was announced. I had no intention of going outside my comfort zone. However, I got a chance to visit Washington DC. My first visit in US to Washington Monument. My Google map showed that it was 5 minutes away. Until here everything was fine. I was taking these baby steps to scan the surroundings. I saw a lot of security guards and could hear emergency vehicle sounds. And a pile of questions were running in my head. Am I walking too slow? Am I blocking the way to cyclists? Can I take pictures? Should I cross only at pedestrian crossing? Am I behaving the way I need to? I think I'm not good enough. I felt alien. Now I felt I don't belong here. With all my thoughts, finally I arrived at my destination around 5 pm, which was the golden hour to take pictures. I saw people greeting me with warm smiles, so cheerful to watch kids playing on the grass. People were enjoying the live concerts. This is all so different from India. And the daylight started fading and the night light were on the way. I looked at the monument and I realized This is it. Dreams do come true. Look how far I have come. Millions of miles apart. I'm all alone. No one to pat on my shoulders to say everything is fine, the way my dad does. I saw myself as a self esteemed, independent woman. I felt so happy and proud. I think I achieved this. But this is not the end.